In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a vacation fund in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the Spending tab and tap the gear icon in the top right to open spending settings. From there, select Manage Categories, then tap New Category. Name it Vacation Fund, and choose an icon and color so it's easy to recognize. This creates a dedicated bucket for your travel savings. Next, go back to the Spending tab and open Breakdown and Budget. Tap the Budget tab, then select Edit Budget. Scroll down until you find your new vacation fund category. Now, enter your monthly savings goal for it. For example, if you set aside $300 per month, you'll build around $3,600 in a year, which is a strong starting point for a vacation budget. Once you save it, Origin will track your contributions automatically, so you can see your vacation fund grow over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.